Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard for advisors. Although your business is growing with a good budget for advertising, you still want to ensure that it is spent wisely. This is why advisors should consider pay per click in order to generate more new leads. In order to minimize your expenses, seeking an expert in PPC ads in order to advertise your business is a good choice. TrafficGuard's solution can help you. Performance ad fraud protection. TrafficGuard detects, mitigates, and reports on digital ad fraud before it hits your advertising budget. PPC Protection. Protect your Adwords campaigns with TrafficGuard's automated click fraud prevention. Impression level protection. TrafficGuard's impression level protection helps you to make sure your ads are viewable by real people with the highest likelihood of converting later in the advertising journey. In short, TrafficGuard has two main pricing options. The first one, Protect plan, is free with up to $2,500 per month on Google ad spend, and the Protect PRO package costs 2% of Google ad spend and includes all supported services. TrafficGuard's PPC Protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.